Today we're going to be making 2 Halloween t-shirts. Let's get started. I'm starting with a cotton t-shirt, some wood cutouts, and some Tulip brand tie-dye. I put my Tulip brand tie-dye into a spray bottle. I thought it'd be pretty cute. It's like a spooky yellow. Alright, I'd say that looks pretty good. So the next step is I'm going to do the back, okay? And then we're going to let that sit 6 to 8 hours. Pressing the spray bottle down partway creates larger drops. Dabbing the wood cutouts before removing them helps create a crisp edge and prevents some mess. Time for the reveal. Here's the first shirt. It says boo. I just love it. Look at how cute that is. Woohoo. It says boo. And the back of the first one. It just continues the design. Pretty cute. Okay. And now for the second one. This is the one that says spooky. Check it out. So cute. I love it. Okay, there it is. Spooky. And now here's the back of that one. You just continue the design on the back. To support this channel, click like, hit subscribe, and click the bell to get all notifications. Thank you for watching.